channel, then hi, my name is Mehak and this is my channel Language Tour, where we use easy and simple methods to learn more about English and Spanish. And if you still haven't subscribed, then I'll really appreciate if you can just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So my last video was about the words that are similar, they sound similar but they have slightly different meaning to them. And in this video we are going to learn about basic English mistakes or common English mistakes, very common sentences that we use in our daily lives but we tend to make mistakes. I mean, most of us do. So let's get started. So guys, I've seen some people saying that I'll revert you by the evening or I'll reply you back in some time. This is wrong, because if you see the literal meaning of these three words already have the essence of the word back in them. For example, the meaning of word return is that you went somewhere and now you have to come back. And the meaning of reply is that you texted somebody and now you're expecting a text back. The meaning of revert is that you told something to somebody and now you're expecting a response back. So you don't need to use the word back with them. You just have to say, I'll revert you by this evening, or I'll reply you as soon as I get free. Okay, because using the word back with them is grammatically incorrect. Okay, and so next example is, so I've seen many people saying that you are the most prettiest girl. See, this is wrong, because the adjective here is the word pretty, and pretty is the base form. Its comparative form is prettier and its superlative form is prettiest. So you can see that prettiest is already at its highest. I mean, you are already using the highest form. So you don't need to use the word most with it, because it is a qualifier. Qualifier you use when you can't change the form of the adjective. For example, beautiful. Beautiful remains the same. The base form is beautiful, the comparative form is beautiful, and the superlative form is beautiful. So in order to differentiate between three beautiful people, you use qualifiers. You say you're beautiful, and then you say you're more beautiful, and then you say you're the most beautiful person. So these are the words where you need to use qualifiers. Here you don't need to use any, because prettiest is already at its highest. So this sentence seems pretty much correct, but it is not, because as you can see, the original sentence is there is no place in the hall, but this is wrong, and the thing incorrect with this sentence is this word. This is the lack of vocabulary. You never say there is no place in the hall. You always say there is no room in the hall, or there is no room here, there is no room in this restaurant. Because whenever you want to describe the space of something, you'll always use the word room. Let's move on to the next one. So again, a very common sentence, very common mistake. The thing here is that people think here is a plural word, and it is not, because you see here is uncountable. It is uncountable and it is a singular word. You never say your hair beautiful, your hair are strong. You always say your hair is so beautiful, your hair is strong, and you never say hairs. It's hair, because it is uncountable. You can't count. And also it is not plural, it is singular. So many people still make this mistakes, but this is the explanation to it. So the thing wrong in this sentence is that originally the sentence was thank you, I really enjoyed. This is wrong, because the sentence should not end with the word enjoyed. It is incorrect, because this should be the correct sentence. Thank you, I really enjoyed myself. This is because this sentence is reflexive. Reflexive sentences are those in which the doer and the receiver of the action is the same person. Or in simple words, you can also say that the sentences in which the starting and the ending lands with the same person. For example, I was in a hurry, so I washed the car by myself. So in this you can see the first half, I was in a hurry. The sentence started with I, me, okay, and the second half I washed the car myself, again myself. So it started with me and it is ending with me. That means it is a reflexive sentence. So again, this also, you will never say thank you, I really enjoyed. This is incorrect, okay. You will say thank you, I really enjoyed myself, because I is a simple pronoun and this is a reflexive sentence. So you have to use its reflexive pronoun, and the reflexive pronoun of I is myself, we is ourselves, he is himself. So guys, you must have heard some people saying that earlier I was into engineering and then my life took a complete 360-degree turn and now I'm into photography. This is wrong, because technically if you see, 360-degree means that you are back to the position from where you started, and it's wrong. It actually means that you didn't change anything in your life, you just started it again from the scratch. So the correct form here is that my life took a 180-degree change, because 180-degree means that earlier you were here and now you're here, which means that you are now doing totally opposite of what you were doing. So the correct sentence in this would be that I was into engineering earlier and then my life took a 180-degree change and now I'm into photography. So what's wrong about this sentence? I'll tell you. Originally the sentence was this is a 5 months course, but this is wrong, because the error in this sentence is the letter S. You don't need to use the letter S, because when you use this thing 5 months course, when you say 5 months in a sentence, then this thing already turns the adjective for this noun. So when you say this is a 5 months course, it is wrong. You always say this is a 5-month course. You will never see somebody saying she is a 3 months old baby. You will always hear them saying she is a 3-month old baby. So because that's the correct form of saying it. Okay, so this was about it. This was today's video. I hope I was helpful. We are gonna come back with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.